Hi everyone, this is Dr. Susan Marra with Dr. Marra's Medical Minutes, and this is Juju, my office dog. She's 18 months old and she's doing so well at being an office dog and welcoming all my patients. She's a beautiful girl, doing so well. So I thought today we would review the prominent naturopathic principles of medicine, because I do integrative medicine, because that's what most patients need. um, I don't want people to think that I've abandoned the principles of natural medicine, because I have not. When I went to Babesia, I had absolutely no intention whatsoever to be doing this level of hardcore medicine. I was always interested in wellness medicine. I was always interested in preventive medicine. And that's what I thought I would be doing. But fate had different plans for me. And so here I am, 27 years later, and I'm at least nationally and probably internationally known Lyme disease specialist, of which I had no plan of being that. So life works in strange ways, and sometimes you just have to go with the flow. But I didn't want people to think that I'd abandoned the principles of naturopathic medicine, because I believe in them. The first one is the healing power of nature. And, the healing power of herbs, the healing power of spices, healing power of nutrients, the healing power of food, the healing power of being outside, breathing fresh air, drinking fresh water, getting good night's sleep. These are all natural things that our bodies thrive in when we engage in that kind of activity or behavior. Second one is to identify and treat the root cause of the constellation of symptoms that a patient has. Well, that's in fact what I do. People come in with arthritis, headaches, migraines, eczema, joint pain, muscle pain, and I have to connect the dots and figure out, okay, wait a minute, if there's all these systems are dysregulated, it's most likely infection. So we find the root cause, we find the infections, and we treat them. And generally we treat them with an integrated medicine approach. Another principle is first do no harm. I'm very proud to say that in 27 years of practice, I have never hurt a patient, ever. And I think that's because I'm careful about how I dose, and I'm very careful about getting routine blood work to make sure that all the basic organs are functioning well. Another principle is treat the whole person, which, for those of you that know me, that for sure is. I know your life. I know your stresses. I know what works, what doesn't work. I know you as a person. And then that makes me more effective as a doctor. I've been doing personalized medicine long before it was cool. Long before. I've been doing it since 1999. One patient after another, and doing individualized care, because I believe that's what works. It's not rocket science, right? Each of us has a different thumbprint for a reason. Hi, George. Yeah, George agrees. Another principle is doctor as teacher. Hopefully my patients feel like I'm a good teacher. I try and teach them about their illness and about what they can and can't do, what they can and can't expect. And I'm not so much of a teacher, like going to conferences and stuff. I don't like that at all. I've always said I'm a back of the room kind of a doctor. I'm well known, but not known, if you know what I mean. I don't like to be front and center. Leave that for Dr. Horowitz, Dr. Burrascano, those kind of people. They do much better in that position than I would. And then the last principle is prevention is key. And, you guys know So much of illness today is related to, you know, your life hygiene and the food that you eat. And when you eat shitty food, you're going to have a problem. It's just that simple. And Juju agrees because Juju gets farmer's dog, which is super good for her. And she doesn't have any skin issues or anything. So food is really important, isn't it, George? So I just wanted to review the principles of naturopathic medicine and just let you know that I haven't abandoned them. I've integrated them into a more integrated approach to medicine. Alrighty, you guys, take care. Have a wonderful day.